Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is SaBernardMTC and TikTok SaBernardMTC. So today we are going to learn mathematics. The lesson is inequality. We are going to learn about inequalities. What's the inequalities? What it means is an expression that contains the symbols of contains less than, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, equal. These are the inequalities. It contains this greater than, less than, equal, greater than or equal. This symbol means greater than. This one means less than. This one means less than or equal. Less than or equal. This one means greater than or equal. That is the meaning of inequalities. The expression is an expression containing greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. That is the inequalities. So let's move the example number 1 and we see how we work with the inequalities. Friends, thank you for watching my YouTube channel and TikTok. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate. Thank you friends. Examples of inequalities. Examples of inequalities. You have 2x minus 3 less than 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 10. This expression is an example of inequalities. So this, if you see this equation like this one is contains of inequalities. Inequality said it's an expression which contains less than, the signs of symbols of less than, greater than, or less than or equal, greater than or equal. These are, if you see the expression or equation containing these signs, it means this is inequality equation. So it's an expression which contains less than or equal symbols. So this is an example of inequalities. Let's move the example and we work with the inequalities. Example number 1. Find the value of x for which x number 1, x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Number 2, 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 13 minus 6x. So you have here example. Find the value of x for which x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 13 minus 6. So you're going to find the value of x using this inequality equation here. Solution. Start with Roman number 1. Here they said x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Here we collect like terms first. Collect like terms together. Collect like terms together. Here what you do, you're going to bring this negative one this side. So you come here x minus this, we are going to take 1 this side where 5 is. So if it's minus, you're going to get, we'll add here minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 5 plus 1. Why? Because this one negative 1 is crossing this less than or equal signs. When it crosses this sign, you're going to make it positive. So you get here, you cancel, we made x remained x is less than or equal to 6. So therefore, x is less than or equal to 6. What's the meaning of this? If they say list down the inequalities of x, value of x, you have to start with the x is less than or equal to 6, which means you start with the 6. 5. So value of x is greater less than or equal to 6. That's the Roman number 1. Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 13 minus 6x. Here also we do as we did in the previous example. So we're going to collect like terms together. So you're going to do 2x. This one is going to come this way. This 3 is going to go this side. This one will go to this side. So if this one is a negative, it comes this side, it becomes a positive. So negative 6x comes to 6, positive 6x is less than or equal to this negative 3. If it comes this side, it becomes a positive 13 plus 3. Remain here 8x is less than or equal to 13 plus 3 get 16. So I divide both sides here by 8 to make x the subject. 8. We remember the x is less than or equal to 16 divided by 8. Remember 16 divided by 6. 16 divided by 8 we get 2. Therefore, value of x is equal to less than or equal to 2. As simple as that. You see, this topic is very simple by that. As simple as that. If you have questions, let's move to your comment. Send your comment and I will reply it. Let's move to the next example. Example 2. So you have here example 1, the lesson 2, example 1. Or you can call it example 2. Because in the previous lesson I've been studying example 1. This example 2. Solve the following inequality. Solve the following inequalities.